This is another one of those old films that I've captured frame by frame and turned into a movie. The duller parts have been removed, although what remains is still pretty dull. Seems to be a film made at a factory or some kind of business. Maybe a home movie, but I don't think so. I have the name of the person who sent the film to Kodak, but I'm covering it with my thumb right now. And the company is the Oxford Paper Company, 230 Park Avenue, New York City. The only hint as to what this is about is the subject line penciled in on the edge of the box. Orange job. Begin Summit ADCI. Looks like maybe a new job is being planned, a new building is being prepared. No way to know, no way to tell, at least from this film.